Today we're going to take a look at the RCBS Partner Press. Guy Miner here from UltimateReloader.com. I've got the Partner Press here today. We're going to take a look at the box contents, we're going to take a look at the specs and features, load some ammo on it, and come to some conclusions about this press. So let's get it out of the box. Okay, so we've got the stuff out of the box. Primary feature, of course, is the Partner Press, which is pretty cool. It's all cast aluminum with, of course, the steel ram and linkage. We've got our primer catch tray. Looks like we can prime on the press. That's always a nice feature to have. And we've got the instructions, which look pretty thorough. Let's go ahead and set this up and give it a try. Well, we've got the RCBS Partner Press mounted on our bench, and time to go over some of the features of this. First off, it is small. It is a compact press. It is a lightweight press. It's made out of cast aluminum, so instead of one of those very big, heavy presses, this one is much more compact, a whole different kind of press for that purpose. It's small, it's light, portable. It's made to be used in either a compact area, small bench, or even taken to the range if you're one of those guys who likes to load at the range, which sometimes is handy if you're doing load development work. It's a single stage, everything one at a time, O-frame sort of a press here. It has an on-press priming system, which, you know, sometimes it's nice to prime off the press, but this one works really well, and we'll make sure we get that in the video. It's got a 4-inch opening, 3.5-inch stroke. It lets you size most normal size brass, like I've got some 30-06 brass here that fits in there just fine. It's affordable. It is RCBS's most affordable press, and you can get it in either a standalone unit, just the press, or with a loading kit. So let's go ahead and load some ammo. You can see we've got this mounted on a block of wood on the bench here. RCBS also offers a real interesting aluminum block that you can mount it to as well. It's a nice option. Okay, let's load some ammo. I'm going to put the primer in the little primer cup here first. Got my lubed case. Insert it. Up in there, resize. Deprime, and it was really nice seeing that spent primer pop right there into the catch bucket. I like that. Come on back down, and now that priming arm goes right into the ram, and that case is resized, deprimed, and reprimed. Nice. Let's do that again. Primer in. Lubed case in, sizing it, depriming it, and there we are, reprimed. Nice. We're loading with RCBS's Charge Master Lite today. It's amazing how fast this thing will throw a powder charge. And it tells you when it's ready. Seating a long 178 grain Hornady ELDX takes up a lot of room. Nice and easy. That's about as smooth as any other press I've ever used. Usually on a single stage press, it takes me about an hour to do a box of 20 start to finish, and I'm fine with that. There we go. This press is, it's a good little press. It's a little press, okay? So some of the features of a great big press, they're here, they're just more compact. I see this as a good press for either a new reloader, somebody who's just getting into it and needs an affordable press, maybe that would fit on a very small bench. You can see this whole setup here can be pretty compact. Or maybe you're a seasoned reloader and you need a press sitting off to the side for doing one operation. Maybe you just want to do your seating on this or your sizing on it or whatever. Nice to have a second press on a bench sometimes, or for taking it to the range and loading there. Some of the guys really like to do that. It's got a lot of advantages and very, very little in the way of drawbacks from what I can see here today. So after loading some of my favorite cartridges, the good old 30-06, on this little press, I have to admit I'm pretty pleased with it. It's an impressive little guy and I would like to use it some more. What I want to know is, what are you using for your compact reloading setup? Is it the RCBS Partner or is it something else? What are you loading on it and how do you like it? Drop a comment and we'll have a discussion. Now it's time to wrap it up.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel, or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you're interested in becoming a professional gunsmith, check out the Sonoran Desert Institute. They've got a degree program, they've got a certificate program, and you can study from home. Learn more at sdi.edu. Thanks again for watching.